Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a real quick look here at the all-new 2025 Mobile Suites Houston Elite Edition. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside, show you what this thing's all about. Now, I have done a much longer, more detailed tour on this Houston product, but I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like in the Italian white wood with this beautiful Capetown paint job on it. But we're going to start here on the inside, and we're going to kind of work our way to the outside. But a very beautiful full-time rated and full-time warranted fifth wheel by DRV Suites. This is a rear living room, mid-kitchen, bath and a half, luxury style fifth wheel. Back here in the back section, again, rear living room. So that sofa will flip out, make into a bed. You have multiple heat ducts throughout the floor area here with 6-inch heat ducting down each side, kind of helping to protect and heat your underbelly and things. They do offer heated holding pads as well if you'd like to have also the extra backup of 12-volt powered heat tanks. Dual pane safety glass windows. The Elite package gives you the power night shades with manual day shades. Beautifully finished off woodwork here. Again, this is the Italian white wood. The Willow plank floor. So these are individually tiled floors. So if you do damage something, you can remove a plank and replace it, where a lot of it is just like one sheet linoleum that you got to repair. Some hidden storage back in behind here. Smart TV. There is a radio up inside of here as well. Raised panel cabinetry doors, soft close, hinges on, or drawer guides on your drawers as well. Power theater seat, has the adjustable headrest, the flip up and down cup holder thing here in the middle with the little USB charger ports. Nice little desk area, very long slide out here as well. Soft touch padded ceilings. This thing has 3 ducted whisper quiet ACs. I currently have all 3 running. It is not very loud in here, much quieter than some of the other units. I've basically have to turn off the ACs to kind of do my videos sometimes. Pretty cool little pull out tray stuff here. Got that big Insignia oven. Large convection microwave. This is pretty cool. Nice little pull-out dishwasher. You get upgraded quartz countertops when they do the Elite package as well. You have a really nice solid surface countertop standard, even if you don't do the Elite package though. The big residential fridge with ice maker and stuff built in. Turbo exhaust fan up here. The dinette here does extend out, so you could put a couple extra chairs there if you wanted to. They even have kind of these little light up hard stained valances and stuff here. Back behind this area, you're going to have your half bath. This one was also ordered with the washer dryer stackable setup. So this is kind of like a little laundry room area for you. Porcelain foot flush toilet with the macerator system on it. There's storage underneath your sink area as well. You even have a window in here. Another turbo exhaust fan up there and some overhead storage as well. Very nice, heavy-duty, solid doors. Some of your lighting controls, this one has the in-command center on it here, so you can scroll through, change some of your lightings, brighten and dimmen some of the things as well. You do have that Lippert thin shade built in already. The Gateway Connect, so you could subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon internet service and take the internet with you. Some motion lights in here as well. Back in behind here, you're going to have some of your controls and stuff. Again, I did a much more detailed video. I'll post a link to that down below as well. So if you are seriously interested in something like this, you can check that out and learn a little more about them. Camper king bed. There's storage underneath of there as well. This unit has 4 slide outs on it, 2 in the bedroom and then the 2 downstairs as well. Up here you're going to have a huge bathroom area and a big closet as well. Got a safe over here. This closet kind of goes back in here a little ways. So you got quite a bit of storage space back in there as well. Electric outlet in there on that side. Electric outlet and little dresser over here on this side as well. You have sliding doors here. One-piece fiberglass shower with the sit-down seat, adjustable shower bar, little skylight up there with the pleated blind to block it off. Another turbo exhaust fan here. Again, kind of the same thing, porcelain foot flush toilet down here with the macerator toilet. Some drawers and cabinet space below your sink area here. Just a very, very beautiful, sturdy feeling coach. This is a wide body fifth wheel. 3 1/4 inch thick sidewalls, R16 insulation value in your walls. It even has an upgraded 1/4 inch foam barrier besides the traditional wool batten insulation stuff on your sidewalls to help with condensation issues that a lot of full-timers run into on aluminum studded RVs. Stepping outside again here, we're going to run you around the outside real quick. Again, this one was ordered in that Capetown paint job, and when they do the Elite package, it also puts window silks on your outer windows. So when you're kind of back from a distance, you don't even really notice that there's windows in those parts of the RV. You have 2 large power awnings with the LED light strips built in, adjustable arms. It has the metal protective wrap when they're closed up to encase them and just kind of protect them. Got a motion light above the entry door, security light on the front corner here. You have a really nice heavy duty front shell here, where a lot of these are cheap, thin, rolled underneath sections here. But a very nice heavy-duty shell, and that adds a little bit to the strength, but the main strength of everything comes from its extremely heavy-duty frame and chassis with all the extra steel upper decking that a lot of brands use just aluminum tubes up in that area. But here, the way they tie everything together and bring that upper deck steel back, I really recommend watching the construction video on this thing, and they don't really have problems with the frame flex that you're seeing out there on a few other manufacturers. This was also ordered with that really nice pull-out tray. There's a propane hookup down below so you could set you up a grill. It has a 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system with a 5-degree outward pitch, making it again even more stable than the already good traditional straight up and down hydraulic jacks. But here they just want to make sure, again, you're expecting to live in this thing, they want you to make sure you're really comfortable. This one was ordered with the heavy-duty MORryde step, the large folding entry handle. You got that touch keypad on your entry-exit door, and you notice they actually paint their entry-exit door as well, where a lot of brands have gone to that black glass to save $1, but here they're actually putting you a regular door on and actually painting it as well. You have nice outdoor little TV here, and there is even a little radio system out here as well. It's a nice optional feature there if you want it. Down below you can see this is a triple axle unit, currently riding on Cooper tires. It has disc brakes. It also has a very nice, expensive, more ride independent suspension system on it that is normally not even available on most fifth wheels, but some higher end fifth wheels tend to offer it as an option. It is standard on the Mobile Suites. And that is a 15-inch box tube frame with an additional 2-inch crush tube around the axle area as well. So that is a very thick, heavy-duty frame system for an RV. This was also ordered with the optional slide-out awning covers over top. That helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, all that type of stuff. Very nice. Now when doing the Elite package, it also paints the sides of the slide with all the matching striping and everything on it as well. So it definitely gives it that kind of expensive motorhome bus feel. Now another thing too that the Elite package does, it puts fiberglass lower fender skirting and everything. All of this area right here, this is all a molded fiberglass. And same thing even up there, that whole area right up through there, that is all fiberglass. Where traditionally on fifth wheels, it's a thin rolled aluminum, maybe painted if you order a paint job or whatever. But here, again, it's going with that heavier duty fiberglass feature. It also puts a fiberglass roof on top of the RV as well. So that is another part of the Elite package upgrade. You can see back here on the rear end, it has a beautiful paint job on this section as well. You have quite a few LED lights, including backup lights back here. A lot of brands do not have backup lights, which drives me nuts. I don't know why they think people don't want to see what's going on behind them in these monster campers. But it's definitely good to see that that's back here. You have a hitch on the back of the RV, which is actually a towing hitch. It's rated for a 300-pound tongue weight, 3,000-pound pull weight. Don't exceed that, but it can do some towing. There's also a hookup back here for some lights and stuff. It's prepped in the top corner up there for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder system. It's a really nice telescoping ladder system you can use to get up and down, on and off the roof and check things out. They do offer a 270 camera system, which puts a camera on the back and a camera on each side, giving you a bird's eye view from the top down. Very nice camera system. This one, the customer did not order that on there, but I would definitely recommend that. If you're going to do a camera system, have it done by the factory. It is a very nice camera system. Right here, you're going to have the powered power cord reel, the way this one was ordered as well. Very nice setup. There is up top there a stove exhaust vent. The little access door right here is also right behind the refrigerator. That's very smart of them. So you can actually pop open that door and check out the back of the fridge to check your water line for leakage or possibly work on it if needed. You have the Suburban on-demand water heater control right here, the dryer vent exiting out right here. And just real quick, just kind of show you down here. Very cool independent suspension setup right back there. Little storage area here. Again, a lot of brands do not use these type of areas on the side for storage, but here again, they're trying to maximize this thing because they know you're going to be living in it. You're going to have a really nice docking station here with some of your dump handle stuff, your water directional valves, black tank flushes, electric outlets and stuff there. The other side of the storage compartment here. Now, I forgot to open up the other side, but this right here does slide open. You have a really nice water manifold system here, allowing you to turn on and off individual water lines. There are heat ducts directly blowing down into here to keep things warm. Water filtration system, the disc brake reservoir for your disc brakes and everything down here. Quite a few motion lights in this area as well. Some of your jack control stuff here. 40-pound propane tanks with the pull-out tray. You have thicker baggage doors as well. You'll notice these are even nicely painted off. The slam latch, shock assist. Some very important informational stuff right here. So this one tells me it has a gross weight of 24,000 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that. It has 3 8,000-pound axles on it. This particular one was built 6/14 of 24. LT 215 75 R 17.5-inch H-rated tires with 125 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure on any RV. The dry weight on this one came in about 21,500 pounds. There's actually a dry weight sticker located on the door frame of the entry door. Another security light up here as well. Again, very nicely finished off underneath section here. You can see batteries on a battery tray. There's actually room for a couple more batteries there. They put in 2 6-volt batteries, where a lot of brands do 0 batteries or maybe one 12-volt. But here they have 2 6-volt standard, option for 4. You do have the battery disconnect and inverter up in there. Over here, this customer ordered theirs without generator prepped. A lot of times when I video these, they have generator prepped in it. So it's just an open hole storage area or boxed out for a generator, depending on how you order it. The heavy-duty MoreRide hitch pin up here, very nice setup. You can also see lights right there that are basically pointing straight down into your truck bed. But check out the front of this thing. Very beautiful setup here with this black and gold paint job. And it has a couple LED light strips coming down the front as well. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour. Went a little longer than I was expecting. However, again, if you're looking for more details on like cabinets open and slide closed and all that type of stuff, check out the link in the video below where I do all that stuff for you as well. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos. Greatly appreciated.